Honourable members, the single market has been the greatest single driver of the European economy. Further deepening of the single market has the potential to unlock considerable benefits for our consumers. And if confirmed, I will develop a new consumer agenda for the next 5 years. This will address the digital and green transition, including sustainable growth, and a specific action plan for consumers to be able to fully access goods and services in the single market. Product safety is an essential prerequisite of a thriving economy, and I am pleased that the General Product Safety Regulation begins to apply on the 13th of next month, and I thank all the MEPs for their work in advancing this important initiative. I recognise the concerns that many members have expressed to me regarding unsafe products sold through e-commerce platforms. In response, and with your support, I will assess the need to update legislation and ensure enforcement. Our aim must be to ensure the compliance with safety requirements and consumer rights throughout the EU and a level playing field for all of the businesses in the Union. But for consumers to trust the market, they need to know that their rights are respected, also when they buy or navigate online. And that is why I will take forward a Digital Fairness Act to reinforce consumer protection in targeted areas to complement the existing EU Digital Rulebook. I want to make sure that consumers are not exploited for commercial purposes, that social media influencers are not misleading our consumers, and that our children are sufficiently protected online. I will address dark patterns, marketing by social media influencers, addictive design of digital products, and unfair personalisation practices, and working with colleagues. The protection of minors from harmful content and practices will be a priority. I will ensure that the protection of our children from manipulative practices when playing online games remains a priority in consumer policy. Many members have raised the issue of digital subscriptions, noting that it is considerably more difficult to cancel than it is to subscribe, and I will work with you to address this issue. The General Data Protection Regulation has been a success, and I will ensure this legislation is properly enforced in a manner that is coherent across the Union and applied in line with the new EU Digital Rulebook.